Oh, it's drinking.
Water!
Oh, cesspool. Good girl, Callie. Give Tom a hug.
She's so happy. She's like, water! Oh, swell.
Callie, you're gonna be sick. Yeah, bro. Am I recording? I think I am. Is it? Is it recording?
Yes.
Alright, we're good. It's in a tree? Yeah. I was getting ready to, but I have a full choke in. You shot the tree in front of you? Well, that kind of sucks.
Oh, that's a shaker tree. First one of 2016 is coming out of the tree.
You get it? Yeah. What was it? Frick. I didn't hear it, and then you said Nick, and I went to bring my gun up, and I hit a tree. That way?
I shot and it went down, and I went over to grab it, and it wouldn't back up.
I went to follow it, and I hit a tree with my gun.
Oh, I shot a tree in half right then.
I hit one of those little trees with my gun.
Oh,
What?
There.
What?
Yeah, bird right there on the ground. See him?
Your dog is so stupid.
Callie! Hey! Oh, she's on the trail. Don't flush it. Let Callie flush it. No, Nick. Let
What?
Callie flush it. Callie, come!
It's right there. It's gonna fly this way.
Uh-oh, here it goes.
Your dog's an idiot.
No, just let it.
Let it.
No, tree.
Oh my God.
I can fix it.
I gotta let it get out a little. Yeah, it's got its lanes walked. Let's go this way. What? Where? Where? Ugh. Where was it?
It was right on the edge and it started running in there. I was like, Nick, pheasant. And Callie,
Callie, get it here. Come on.
come on, bring him.
Callie, come on.
Come on, good dog, bring him here. Come on, good girl.
I didn't hear a cackle. I thought it was a hen.
Come on, bring him. Bring him here.
Come on, Cal.
Alright, Callie. Oh my God. Callie, come on.
Callie, come on. Let's go.
Bring me here. Good dog. Good dog. Bring him. Good girl. Good girl.
You got it, Cal. Come on.
Come on, Callie. Well, if you... Come on, bring him here. Good dog. Good dog. Oh, man.
Hopefully you didn't put too many holes in the meat. Some swill water getting in there. Poor bastard.
A bird? They have to fly. Or they get tired.
I do want to go through here though, because that's where that hen landed.
She's pretty friggin' birdie, so I'll be out in the field. Oh, get him, get him, get him! Nice, nice.
Finally. I didn't even hear him freaking go up.
Nice shot. What is that? I've never seen that before.
Very purple. Nice. He's a big one.